Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Content tab section. The Content tab section allows you to display multiple types of content like product descriptions, shipping info, FAQs, or sizing guides inside a clean tabbed layout. Instead of long, cluttered product pages, this layout keeps your content compact, organized, and easy to navigate. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Content tab section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Content tab section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Content tab section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Content tabs and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Content tab section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the Content tab section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Start with tab size, which controls the overall scale of each tab button. Choose Inherit to follow your theme's default style. Or select small, medium, or regular, depending on how prominent you want your tabs to appear. Next, choose a tab style to define the visual look of your tabs. Link, default, solid, or outline. You can also enable shadow to add depth to the tab's container. This creates a slight elevation effect, helping the tabs stand out from the background. Disable it if you prefer a flatter, minimal design. To enhance interaction, select an active tab animation. Opacity smoothly fades between tabs for a soft transition. Moving adds motion, making the active tab feel more dynamic and engaging. For desktop layouts, you can control the tab container width. Choose Default to keep the standard layout, or select Custom for more precise control. With Custom enabled, you can set the width anywhere between 0 pixels and 600 pixels, allowing you to create compact tab layouts or more focused content areas. On mobile devices, you can optimize usability by choosing the active tab style. Tabs keeps the traditional horizontal tab layout. Dropdown converts tabs into a drop-down menu, which is ideal for smaller screens and helps save space while keeping navigation clean and user-friendly. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Match the Content tab section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. Start by adding a tab block to populate your content tabs. Start by entering a tab button. Label. This is the text users will click on to switch between tabs. You can also add an icon name to display an icon alongside the tab label. Next, upload a media image or video to enrich your content. Images are great for showcasing product details or visuals, while videos can be used for demonstrations, tutorials, or storytelling. Enable looping to continuously repeat the video, which is useful for short demos or animations. Enable muted autoplay to play the video automatically without sound. Perfect for grabbing attention without interrupting the user experience. You can also enable button ripple animation to add a subtle interactive effect when users click buttons. Customize the layout for desktop to control how media and content are arranged. Choose horizontal layout to place media and content side by side, ideal for wider screens. Choose vertical layout to stack media and content, great for a more centered or storytelling layout. You can also select the placement order. Media first displays the image or video before the text content. Content first prioritizes text before media, which works well when messaging is more important. For mobile devices, you can optimize the experience by choosing the placement. Media first or content first, depending on what you want users to see immediately on smaller screens. Finally, you can apply color schemes to each tab block to match your store's branding. Choose from light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background for quick styling options, or select custom to fully control colors and create a unique look tailored to your design. And that's it. Your content tab section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.